Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 science teacher. First of all, open up page number 147. We are going to start the new topic of the chapter, Learning Zone. Why does the sky look different in the day and at night? You must be seeing the different colors of the sky. Sometimes in the morning it is blue, then in the evening it becomes yellow, then again in the during Maghrib time it becomes red and orange, and sometimes, so this is because of some uh, uh, there is some reason. So let's study about it. The sky is the space over the earth atmosphere where celestial bodies like sun, moon, and other planets and stars can be found. It is not true that space is completely empty. It is filled with gases and dust that are thinly spread out in outer space. Harmful radiations like infrared and ultraviolet rays that are released from the sun also fill the space. Now, sky is filled with the celestial bodies, sun, moon, and the stars and the planets, and this space is filled with the gases and dust, and the harmful gases or harmful radiations are coming from the rays of the sun also are in the space. During the day, the sky appears blue because the air scatters the blue light from the sun. In the morning, the sky is blue because the air is scattering the blue light from the sun and absorbs the other colors of the light. The sun changes its appearance throughout the day. It looks yellow in the afternoon and appears orange at the sunset due to the scattering of light in the atmosphere, because the light is spreading around. So that's where the changes of the color of the sky appears. The path taken by sunlight increases in length as the day passes. It comes in contact with more particles in the atmosphere, causing yellow light to be scattered the most. At sunset, more red and orange light is scattered, and at sunset you must be seeing that the sky is more red and orange because these two lights are scattered at the sunset, causing the sun and sky to look more reddish. We can also see clouds, rainbow, and lightning in the sky. During the night, the sky appears black. You know why? Because there is absence of sunlight. That is why the sky is looking black. The moon, other planets, and stars also can be seen in the night sky. But during the day also they are present, but they cannot be seen, and they are partially visible because of the dark and the great sunlight. Till here we have studied, and we have also studied about the weather. The condition of the sky helps to predict the weather. Whatever is the condition of the sky, it gives the prediction that what type of weather would be. Thick, if there are clouds in the sky, it will indicate that it's going to be rainy day to day. But if it is morning fog, it indicates that it's a stable weather throughout the day. And if there are no clouds in the sky and there's very hot sun, we say it's a sunny day. So we have studied till here. Go through it and be prepared for the oral question answers and spelling test also. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.